All right, today we're going to be trying to build a ramp to put my snowmobile into the back of my truck. So we're gonna see how this goes. I kind of have a game plan of what I want to do. Just picked up the wood from the Home Depot and gonna get to work. Here we have a 4x8 sheet of plywood, a couple of 2x4s, and some like 1x1 and some little stuff like this, which you'll see what I'm gonna do with it afterwards. But I don't expect this to take too long, so let's try and get it done. Here's the finished product. I got these little boards here that hopefully the track will be able to grab onto these. These are basically just to stop the skis from going off the side. Got these little eye screws here for ratchet traps to hold it close to the truck. And then I cannot lift that like that. Hold up. Here's the underside. Just a couple boards going through, and then two more here to strap it down towards the bottom of the truck, if for an extra safety. Yeah, this thing's kind of heavy, but next is to see if it works for the snowmobile. Should. So right now I would go ahead and put the snowmobile up onto here. The thing is though, driving it across the lawn, the ground's definitely too soft right now, and I'd probably end up tearing up the grass. Not even from getting onto the ramp, because obviously I could just put it on the concrete, but just driving it across the lawn, I definitely know the skis are gonna dig in. So we're gonna wait till we get a bit more snow and it hardens up a little bit, and then put this thing to the actual test.